Hey everyone, welcome back. Apple's upcoming iOS 19 update might introduce a feature that makes it easier for users to transfer an eSIM from an iPhone to an Android device, according to a report from Android Authority. The publication discovered references in the Android 16 beta of Google SIM Manager to a new transfer to Android option. This feature appears designed to enable wireless eSIM transfer from an iPhone to an Android phone, something that currently requires users to contact their carrier for assistance. At present, eSIM transfers between iPhones are straightforward thanks to Apple's Quick Transfer feature. However, moving an eSIM from iPhone to Android is more complicated. It's worth pointing out that the new setting could be added to the transfer or reset iPhone section under Settings General, potentially expanding Quick Transfer to support Android devices as well. In cases where a wireless transfer doesn't work, it appears there may be an option to use a QR code as a backup method. Code strings also indicate that iOS 19 will be required to initiate the transfer process. A sample prompt in the code reads, "On your other device, go to Settings, General, Transfer, Reset iPhone, select Transfer to Android," and that's about it. If you still can't connect wirelessly, make sure your other device is running iOS 19 or later. Apple may reveal more about this new feature during WWDC 2025, or it could roll out quietly. Meanwhile, Google may also be developing a similar function to streamline eSIM transfers from Android to iPhone.